In this video, let's explore the fundamentals of object-oriented programming in PHP, specifically focusing on objects and instantiation. We will cover how to create objects from classes and how to work with object properties and methods. Let's define what an object actually is. An object is an instance of a class, and it contains properties and methods. Think of it like a house, a real-world example. A house is built from architectural blueprints. The blueprint defines the structure, while the actual house is the object, the instance of that blueprint. Here is an example of a basic class definition in PHP. We start with the keyword class, followed by the name of the class, in this case car. Inside the class, we define properties like brand and color, using the public keyword. Also, a method named start is defined. This class serves as a template for creating car objects, defining what properties and methods each car object will have. Now that we have a class, how do we create an object from it? Here are some lines of code to create new objects from the car class. We declare a variable like $mycar and assign it a new instance of the car class using the new keyword. This creates a fresh instance of the class, just like building a new house from the blueprint. Each object is independent. Once we have an object, we can access and modify its properties. To set a property, we use the object variable, followed by the arrow operator, then the property name. For example, $mycar arrow brand equals Toyota. This sets the brand property of $mycar to Toyota. To retrieve a property, we use the same syntax and can print it out, for example echo $mycar arrow brand. Objects not only have properties but also methods. Methods are functions that belong to the object and perform actions. To call a method, we use the same arrow operator but add parentheses at the end, just like calling a function. For example, $result equals $mycar arrow start with parentheses. This calls the start method of the $mycar object and assigns the return value to the $result variable. Here is a complete example that ties everything we have learned together. We first create a new car object, assigned to the variable $car1. Then we set the brand property to Honda and the color property to blue. Finally, we echo the brand property and the result of calling the start method. The output of this code will be the word Honda, followed by the words engine started on a new line. Let us summarize key points from this video. First, objects are instances of classes, and we use the new keyword to create them from class blueprints. Second, we use the arrow operator, that is > symbol, to access properties and methods of an object. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.